Bounty Brassware and Art Plastics are proud to present the Long As You Like channel kit. In the box you'll find the channel, the outlet with strainer, end covers, end caps, a deburr stone, pop rivets and the grate. The kit also comes with a stainless steel hole saw. For assembly you'll need a drill, a 3mm drill bit, a caulking gun, a bathroom grade silicone, a pop riveter, safety equipment and a grinder with a suitable wheel for stainless steel. To determine the cut length of the channel, deduct 4mm from the overall length required. We used an outlet to draw the cut line. Cut the channel to length. Next use the supply hole saw to cut the outlet hole. Measure the outlet position. We used a jig to keep the channel in position. Deburr the outlet hole and the cut ends of the channel. Always use appropriate PPE. Use an appropriate bathroom grade silicone to seal the joint between the outlet and the channel. Press fit the outlet into place. Use rivets through the tabs in the outlet if extra strength is needed. Push the end caps into place and seal with silicone. To change the length of the grate, first remove the end nuts from the grate. Remove spacers and T-bars to the required length plus a few extra to allow for the cutting of the stainless steel threaded rod. Cut the threaded rod to length of the channel. Reassemble the grate, replace the nuts and push on end caps if needed. The end caps cover any exposed thread and can be cut to length. Place the assembled grate into the channel.